Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by closing games and GPU-heavy programs so files aren't locked. This prevents installer errors. Once done, open Settings, go to Apps, then Apps and Features. You'll see Nvidia entries listed. You select the Nvidia app you want removed and click Uninstall, confirming any prompts. While the uninstaller runs, watch for options to remove drivers or components. Choose the Clean Uninstall when available. This removes the app layer, while leaving you ready to reinstall a fresh package. Next, you handle deeper cleanup so reinstall won't inherit issues. Reboot into safe mode and run Display Driver Uninstaller. It removes drivers, control panel remnants, and performs a thorough sweep. Once back in normal mode, manually delete leftover Nvidia folders in program files and program data to clear cache. You should also remove stale registry keys only if you know how. Make a registry backup first. These steps remove corrupted pieces that often cause reinstall failures and ensure the new install starts clean. To reinstall, you download the latest driver or GeForce experience from Nvidia and run the installer, choosing the Clean Install option to overwrite any residual settings. After install, reboot and verify the GPU appears correctly in Device Manager and that display drivers report no errors. If problems persist, try installing a previous stable driver version, temporarily disable antivirus, or check secure boot settings that can block unsigned drivers. One key troubleshooting tip: boot to safe mode and repeat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.